10 p.m. At Thomas Point Light, the air temperature was 60 degrees. The winds were from the east at 13 knots. The water temperature was 58 degrees. The current time is 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The marine forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of North Beach. Overnight, northeast winds 10 knots. Winds 1 foot. Areas of fog and
Interlink at 1750, wind 030 degrees, 10 knots. Visibility 6 kilometers, rain showers, cloud, broken 3,000 feet, broke on 9,000 feet. Temperature 11, dew point 10, QNH 1010, becoming no significant weather.
Get the fuck out!
1800, wind, variable at 2 knots. Visibility 5 kilometers, mist, cloud, broken 4,500 feet. Temperature 3, dew point 2, QNH 1027, Mozambique. For correct at 1800, wind 090 degrees 8 knots. Visibility 6 kilometers, cloud, few 800 feet, overcast 900 feet. Temperature -0, dew point -1, QNH 1028, Mozambique. Larder fog at 1750, wind variable at 2 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more, cloud, broken 4,500 feet. Temperature -0, dew point -3, QNH 1009. Short time at 1750, wind 230 degrees.
Through the storms of my life, I am so thankful that my Lord and Savior is the anchor to my soul. As I release all of my fears, I can hear Him softly say, "My child, peace, be still."